This story is called Hiccups, written by Diane Hofmeyer. Baby has hiccups. Hiccups. What shall we do? I know, says Grandma. I'll give him a biscuit to chew on, and then he'll stop. But Baby just spits, and then hiccups. I know, says Sister. I'll tickle him with a feather, and then he'll stop. She tickles Baby under his nose. Oh, tissue! Baby sneezes, and then hiccups. I know, says little sister. I'll give him a big fright, and then he'll stop. She jumps out from behind a door. Boo! Wah! Cries Baby, and then hiccups. I know, says Brother. I'll give him a drink of water, and then he'll stop. Brother gives him some water. But Baby just coughs and splutters, and then hiccups. Uh-oh. I know, says Mama. Everybody thinks they know. I'll joggle him on my knee, and then he'll stop. She juggles him up and down on her knee. But Baby just brings up the biscuits and the water, and then hiccups. Oh dear, poor Baby. Give Baby to me, says Papa. I know what to do. We'll play flying babies. And he whirls Baby round and round above his head. Oh no, he spit and sneeze, says Grandma and Sister. Oh, that's okay. He'll cry and cough, says little sister and brother. But no, Baby just laughs and laughs. Has Baby still got the hiccups? No, they've gone. But now Papa has the hiccups. Hiccups. Now they can all love Papa and make him better. The end.